Hello and welcome back to Team Winegarden's video blog. I am Erik Winegarden with eXp Realty. Thank you so much for joining us today. Before we get started here, as always, if you have questions about the value of your home, check out that home value below, that home value tab below. If you're looking to purchase a home, check out that home search tab. Both those tabs have some really cool information and uses for you guys to check out values in homes. So anyways, today what we're going to be talking about is income debt versus consumer debt. When people talk about the word debt, it has a pretty negative connotation, and rightly so if used improperly. Okay, so what we're going to talk about today is how to leverage that nasty word debt, and so that it can make you wealthy at the end of the day. All right, so let's talk about what consumer debt is, and this is what everybody has that negative connotation about. Consumer debt is things like credit cards, car loans, well, basically anything that doesn't pay you. Okay, so what we need to really look at here as we build your investment portfolio is living within your means, okay, which is something that's not easy, especially with all the things that come at us from different angles today. I mean, from Facebook to Instagram to all the television commercials, radio commercials, everything is hitting you, from all these different angles, making you want to go out and do all these things that are outside your means. Well, what we're looking at here today is how to use the debt, okay, that we should use in order to build something for you in the future that will, in essence, relieve you of all those things so that you can go out and purchase all those things that you would like. Okay, so we're going to have to put aside some of that instant gratification and move to another level of thinking. All right, so consumer debt, debt that doesn't pay you. All right. Now we're going to look at income debt. Okay, this is debt that we put on a property that actually makes us money over and above our mortgage because somebody is then paying us rent. Okay, now it seems simple, seems like, thanks a lot, Erik, appreciate the words of wise wisdom, right? But unless we point it out and get it in front of our plate, it's just not going to happen for us. Okay, so my job here today is to help you understand that there's an opportunity for you out in the market, and everybody's scared right now because there's indecision in the market, meaning our interest rates going up, our values going down, or what's happening. Well, let me tell you this. I've been buying properties for a long time, okay, and I've bought properties with a 7 1/8 interest rate on them, right? The important thing to understand, okay, is that at the end of the day, if the deal works today, okay, with the cash flow levels that you have, okay, and you have a standard interest rate that's not going to change, it's going to be the same, your rental levels are good and conservative, and the deal works today, right? The deal works today. It will work 30 years from now. Okay, now I can't put a guarantee on that, of course, but all we're looking to do, okay, is invest our money in a place, get our money working for us, okay, leveraged by good debt, okay, so that at the end of the day we can make X amount off of that money, have the principal be paid down by somebody else, okay, so that we don't have to go to work someday. Okay, so anyways, long lengthy video here, but give me a call about this. Let's talk about the strategies that we can use to use debt in a good way, okay, that can make us money instead of taking our money. Okay, so that we don't have to go to work, but somebody's working for us. All right, so give me a call. Check us out, teamwinegarden.com. If there's any questions about anything that we talked about today, or you want to hear about something else, let me know. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot for joining us today.